Hey guys, welcome to Tech Trick Tutorials. In today's video, I will show you how to turn on comments on your YouTube using phone. So this is a simple and easy guide on how to turn on comments on YouTube using phone. Step 1. Open the YouTube application on your phone and sign in to your account if you're not already logged in. Step 2. Go to your channel, tap your profile icon in the top right corner or select your channel from the menu. Number 3, find the video. Go to the video or go to videos tab to view all your uploaded videos. Select the video for which you want to enable comments. Edit the video, tap the three dots or menu icon next to the video, and then select edit. 5. Enable comments. Scroll down to the more options section, look for the comment setting, make sure allow all comments is selected. Number 6, save the changes. Tap Save to confirm your changes. If your video is marked as made for kids, comments will be disabled automatically due to YouTube's regulation. To enable comments, you need to set the video as not made for kids in the audience settings while editing the video. By following the steps easily, you can turn on comments for your YouTube videos using your phone. Thank you for watching and see you again in our next video tutorials.